In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an account inactive and active again in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, but it's important to understand what you're doing before you make the change. In QuickBooks Online, marking an account as inactive is a way to remove it from active use without fully erasing its historical information. That can be helpful if you no longer need an account in your chart of accounts, but still want to keep your records organized and accurate. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and go to the Accounting menu. From there, select Chart of Accounts. If you prefer, you can also get to the same place by clicking the Settings gear icon and then choosing Chart of Accounts. Both paths take you to the same screen, so use whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, find the account you want to remove from active use. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, since this will change its status and hide it from your normal active account list. When you've located the account, look across to the Action column. Click the drop-down arrow there and then choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the change. Select Yes, Make Inactive to complete the process. After that, the account will no longer appear as an active account in your regular list. If you need to bring that account back later, QuickBooks Online makes that easy too. Go back to Accounting and then Chart of Accounts, or use the Settings gear icon and open Chart of Accounts from there. At the top of the account list, just above the Action column, select the small Settings gear icon. In the menu that appears, check the box labeled Include Inactive. This tells QuickBooks to display accounts that are currently hidden from the active list. Now look through the list and find the inactive account you want to restore. Inactive accounts are typically marked with Deleted, which helps you identify them quickly. Once you find the right account, go to the Action column and select Make Active. That's all there is to it. The account will immediately return to your active chart of accounts and can be used again as needed. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review the account name carefully before making it inactive or active again, especially if you manage a large chart of accounts with similar names. This helps you avoid changing the wrong account and keeps your bookkeeping clean and organized.